Access static variable from static method. I want to access a static variable from a static method. How to do it without passing growling to a method? Is this the true OOP? Anything like name or self.name seems not working. And
Use at class method instead of at static method. Found it just after writing the question. In many languages, C++, Java, etc., static and class methods are synonyms. Not in Python.
You can't use self.name because self is not defined. Self is a naming convention for the first parameter of non-static or non-class method methods. It points to the object on which you called the method. Since your method is static, you don't need an object to call it on.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.